Hi, Rex here again with Affordable Street Rods. As you can see, we're back to work on the 72 ASRNova project again. Today we're going to be working on the vintage air system. We're installing a vintage air SureFit kit, sort of. The vintage air SureFit kits are available in a couple configurations. You can buy the complete kit that includes the compressor, the engine bracket, all of the lines that connect up the system, all of the plumbing lines, hard lines, and hoses. That's one part number, that's one way to do it. In our case, since we've installed the vintage air front runner on the engine, and that includes the bracket and the compressor, we don't need all of the components in a complete SureFit kit. So what we've opted to do on this car is to just purchase the vintage air SureFit Evaporator Kit. The evaporator kit includes everything needed inside of the car, and that's what we're looking at here. As you can see, this is a Gen 4 Magnum evaporator that's heat, cool, and defrost. This fits up behind the glove box. It's made specifically for the Nova. The evaporator kit, because this was originally a factory air car, includes all of the duct adapters to reconnect to the factory dash louvers, defrost hose, new defrost ducts for underneath of the windshield. This is a cable conversion kit that adapts the original factory air controls to potentiometers. So the dash will continue to have the factory air look, but we're just going to get rid of the cables, and we're going to replace those cables with these cable converter switches. Bracketry to mount the evaporator kit on the firewall. Grommets to pass all of the hoses through. This is the duct hose, 2.5-inch duct hose that will connect from the evaporator unit to the factory air ducts inside. All the screws, Herkimer's gadgets, hose clips, hose clamps, little pieces that we need. Electronic heater control valve. This turns the hot water on and off. This is the wiring harness for the complete system. Various pieces of ABS plastic to route the hoses from the evaporator unit up through the kick panel and out between the inner fender panel and outer fender panel. A drain hose. This is a firewall block-off plate to fill the massive hole on the firewall after we took out the original heater box. And it even includes a new glove box liner. Because of the size of this guy, behind the glove box we won't have room for the complete great big glove box like we had, so this guy will fit in place of the original cardboard glove box. So that's our project today, is to work on installation of the vintage air SureFit Evaporator Kit on the ASRNova project. Stay tuned.